In 1996, when Academy's journey was just beginning to unfold, no one could have predicted the great and lasting success this school would become. These 25 years filled with great achievements have been punctuated by many accomplishments and triumphs of Academy's alumni. This success has proven that Academy's approach to teaching and learning works, and works well. For several decades, this school has resisted the pleas from families and the community to expand into high school. But wait no more. Academy's family of educators and parents, in close collaboration, are dedicating their time, energy, and expertise to create this long-awaited gift to the community, the expansion of Academy Charter School into seamless K-12 learning program. Thank you, Matsu School Board, for your vision and invaluable support of Academy. For indeed, you're helping us make the world a better place.
I'm Sawyer Grimes.
I'm Tilden Zimmerman, and I'm in 6th grade.
My name is Reagan Gallego, and I'm in 3rd grade.
My name is Tim Thomas, and I'm in 5th grade.
Hi, my name is Carter Fickus, and I'm in 6th grade.
I like how the teachers are all nice.
I love Academy Charter School because there's a bunch of nice people, including like teachers and students, and they also give us a good learning opportunity.
I've always heard that high school, there were always these different kinds of groups and they were so separated. But in Academy, each group goes up with these kids that they've been here with forever. I mean, I remember I came here in 3rd grade and I still have some of the kids, a lot of the kids actually, who were in that class are still in this class with me now. And it's just not going to be as separating. It's more of like a little community inside of a little school that brings us all together.
Because I think even though it's a school, you need like friends and community to help you keep going.
What I like about Academy Charter School is I love how the teachers teach us and are always ready to bring us to the next level when we're ready.
I love this school because everybody's super friendly, they're super nice, and when you just walk in, they're all like, hi, or if you're a new person, they're really kind and encouraging to you.
I think that if you're more hands-on, like the high school will be, that you're going to learn more and like it's going to influence your life more than just sitting in the classroom.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, we're not disregarding how important learning in a classroom is, but still.
Hands-on it's exciting. It's very exciting.
Makes kids more excited to learn.
Yeah.
That's for sure.
I feel good about Academy Charting having a high school because I like coming to this school and I like all the teachers here.
So in 2 more years, I'll be going to this high school because I'm in 6th grade. And I think a high school would be good because if one of my friends wants to go to a high school and we could go to the high school together and then go on from there and like college and just go together. And I think it's a really good building opportunity just from being with the same people all the way through school.
I think they would really like it because it would help a lot with other stuff that I would learn later on in my life. My
parents think it's a good idea to have a high school here. They kind of agree with me that it's a good building block for other people. And for me, I think that I'd want to go to this high school and definitely try it out, see what it's like, and give myself another option besides all the high schools that are around here.
What I really liked about Academy and why I think a high school would be great is because here they focus on what's important. I don't have to worry about my kid coming to school with something that doesn't really matter.
The culture of the school is like none other than I've ever seen. I have an older daughter too that went through Sherrod Swanson, PJMS, and Palmer High School, and I never felt like the culture of that school was super strong like this school.
What I find amazing and fascinating is both the interaction between parents and teachers. It kind of goes back to that old school philosophy that for kids to succeed and do well in school is the requirement to have parents involved, and that's part of the program here. And I see it in our kids, I see it in their siblings, I see it in their friends, and that it's also kind of catered to strengths of each individual student in that sense of, you know, if they want to advance, they can advance. They allow that to happen. If they're good where they're at, the level that they're learning and understanding and comprehending the skills and abilities they need, then they would coach and work with them at that level.
We came here last year, and I have seen so many improvements in her education since coming here. The smaller class sizes have been amazing for her, and I've just seen so much growth just in the short time that she's been attending school here. And that's why I'm so excited for a high school, because she's just going to keep going with the type of education that Academy provides for her.
It would provide a seamless, continuous education, K through 12 for the kids. We've grown to love Academy, and my kids love it. They are excited. They love to go to school. They have so much fun here, and the education that they have gotten from being here, they have just been thriving.
Having a high school here like that would be beneficial both for the community, short-term and long-term, providing another outlet for education for kids who have that desire and that drive and hunger to get that extra oomph, that want to go to college or see something themselves more. And it's not just saying that they would go to college per se, because you can always do a trade school, but that also specializes in cutting out classes they would have to take even at a trade school to shorten that time frame by having this opportunity provided to them and giving them a chance.
Hi, my name is Chanel Pratt. I currently have 2 kids that attend Academy Charter School here in Palmer, Alaska. I have a 7th grader currently and a 4th grader. We are absolutely thrilled at the possibility of a high school starting at Academy Charter. High school has been a big topic of conversation around our house recently. When our daughter hits 8th grade, where will she go to high school? And what are we going to do? We have wanted a school so much that focuses on education, that focuses on college prep and creating well-rounded students. And Academy Charter will have that. I cannot share enough of our excitement about this possibility. A K-12 school will make a seamless transition for these 8th graders moving on. Currently, we're seeing traditional schools facing things like AP classes being watered down. And again, here at Academy Charter, we won't see things like that happen. Based on the well-rounded and rigorous teaching that Academy offers, we are so excited of this possibility. It is definitely needed here in the Mat-Su. Thanks so much for your time.
I went to Academy Charter from 5th to 8th grade, and it was a great experience. I am currently a senior, and I really wish I had the opportunity to go to a high school from the same place.
Academy definitely helped me build this foundation for really knowing what a sense of community should mean to somebody as an individual. They support local businesses. They teach kids to support our military from an early age. Community is something here that matters more than anything else in some of these high schools, and that is something that bigger high schools neglect. We need to teach kids life skills, and when I'm talking life skills, I'm not even talking like finances. I'm talking about what it means to be a good, upstanding citizen, and that's what Academy has done here today. And I think that a high school would be a great opportunity for any of the students, and I think it'll give them the tools to be extremely successful in the future.